Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with a quick Hobby Lobby haul. I actually had went back into Hobby Lobby last week when the papers were on sale, and I just wanted to come on quickly to show you some of the single sheets that are specialty papers that were 50% off that I found that I hadn't seen before. And I've already, you know me, I already have started playing and working on projects, so I've already cut some of this up, but I did want to share with you this paper right here. It's like a candy cane striped paper, and it's shiny, and it is you know, one of their specialty papers, so it's normally $1.99, but definitely get it while it's 50% off. So wanted to share that one. I had never seen that one in the store before. And then also I found this one, and it just says Merry Christmas, and it's in red metallic, or maybe not red metallic, but red foil font. I'll just zoom in so you guys can see, but isn't that really pretty? I love this paper right here, and I've already made a project with it. All right, moving along, I did pick up this white and gray polka dot glitter, and I believe this is Doodlebug, yes. But all of the single sheets were 50% off. So I did take advantage of that, and I'm sorry I couldn't get this video out sooner, but I'm sure paper will be back on sale next week. So I picked that one up, so really pretty. And then I also picked up this black and gray polka dot. I figured it'd be fun for Halloween projects. And then I found this one, which I've never seen before, and this is a spider web shiny metallic 12 by 12 sheet. And again, it is a specialty. It is Paper Studios. But I thought, how fun is that? So I picked up one of those. And then I did pick up one, actually I picked up two of these black shiny cardstock for Halloween, and also I've been working on fingernail polish cards. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw that I shared I was working on those fingernail polish cards, and I needed some more of that black shiny paper because I couldn't find mine. I know I have some somewhere in my stash, but couldn't find it, so I just went and bought some more. And then I did buy some orange glitter for Halloween, black glitter. I love their black glitter, it's so pretty. And then I also picked up white glitter. And then last but not least, I did pick up this really pretty rose gold faux leather. It's in the ribbon section. It wasn't on sale, but I did use a coupon, and as you can see, I made a bow, and now I can't find it to show you guys, but I did cut it out of one of my steel rule dies, and it cuts perfectly, and it's really pretty. I never saw this color before, and there's a few other patterns that I saw that I'm going to pick up this week because they are on sale this week. They're 50% off, so check out the ribbon section this week because that stuff is on sale. And that is it. That is my quick Hobby Lobby haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.